This is part 5 of the Subaru 2002 Outback bearing replacement front driver's side. Under here, pressing on the inner race of the bearing, is a 35mm socket. Up here, this is a 32mm socket. So that way, this socket is pushing up against the inner race, so when I press the hub back into the knuckle, I'm not pushing the bearing outside of the inner races. Okay, so I've done my best to make sure that this is straight. I realize that it doesn't look exactly straight, but that's because it's sitting down on the base here. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a shot. So here we go. Right up against the bushing, the dust guard.